Welcome to Insurance Funda. Today, we are exploring LIC's newly launched Nav Jeevan Shri plan available in both single premium, Plan 911, and limited premium, Plan 912, options. These innovative plans offer guaranteed additions and flexible terms to secure your financial future. Nav Jeevan Shri is a non-par, non-linked, individual endowment plan by LIC. It provides guaranteed returns and robust financial security with two convenient variants, single premium and limited premium payment. Let's dive deeper into each. Plan 911 is a single premium plan. Here, you make just one payment and enjoy benefits throughout the policy term. Eligibility begins from just 30 days old with a flexible policy term of 5 to 20 years. You can choose from two death benefit options at inception. Option 1 offers 1.25 times the premium or basic sum assured, whichever is higher, while option 2 provides 10 times the single premium paid. Guaranteed additions accrue at 85 rupees per thousand basic sum assured every policy year, significantly boosting your maturity amount. Nav Jeevan Shri Plan 912 is a limited premium variant. Choose premium payment terms of 6, 8, 10, or 12 years with policy terms ranging from 10 to 20 years. For instance, a 31-year-old opting for a 20-year term and 12-year premium payment term, paying an annual premium of 95,300 rupees, receives a basic sum assured of 10 lakhs rupees. Guaranteed additions increase each year, significantly enhancing your benefits at maturity or providing substantial protection in case of death. Both plans offer attractive options like settlement of maturity and death benefits in flexible installments over 5, 10, or 15 years. Options for riders such as accidental death and disability and term assurance, enhancing protection further, available only through specific channels. Tax benefits under prevailing laws. The plan also offers liquidity through attractive surrender values and loan facilities. Surrender value is available anytime after policy issuance, offering the higher of guaranteed or special surrender values. Loans up to 90% of the surrender value are available, providing financial flexibility when needed. Choose LIC's Nav Jeevan Shri for high guaranteed additions, flexible terms and premium payment options, strong financial protection, customizable maturity and death benefits, reliability and trust from LIC, India's largest life insurer. Ready to secure your future? Contact your LIC agent or visit LIC's official website today. For more such informative videos, subscribe to Insurance Funda and stay financially informed.